Hello guys, Game Changers back again with another video, and today I'm showing you how to get over 150 plus paid apps absolutely free from this app that gives you premium Apple IDs without having to pay for them. So make sure you check out the guy's Twitter. It's on the actual website before you download. It's on the website when you download the app, and it should be on the app when you're on the home page. If you scroll down you should see it. So basically I'm going to be showing you this today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, as before, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in a minute. Hello guys, so as per usual the link will be down in the description. It will be a royal yours because I'm currently jobless and trying to earn some money to help me out while I'm looking for a new job. But you want to just click download, install, put in your passcode if you got one, install and install again, click done, and you want to slide over. Here's the app on the home page. It's called ID Vault. You want to click on it. If you go onto the end tab where it says apps, that's where they'll have all the apps listed on a separate website because it makes it easier for the developer. As you can see, there's a whole list for free full premium Apple IDs. So if you want to check what apps they got and what ones you want to get, you just go there. Other than that, you just click on the Apple ID section. I'm not a robot. Do all of this. Click continue. Wait 10 seconds. Hello guys, don't worry, the video's not buffering, it's just me here to tell you about App Discovery. It's a free and rare hidden apps app where you'll find all the best and greatest rare and hidden apps. So go check it out and let's get back to the video. And then you simply press get link, and then it'll take you to one of these websites. There's the details for the Apple ID I'm currently using. You simply just copy, paste, put it straight into the Apple ID section. The only reason I'm showing off one Apple ID is because there's two other ones with even more apps on them. You will have to go to this app to get them. I'm not going to show them all off because otherwise the app owner ain't going to get anything because you'll just use them from the video. But as you can see, this is the list of all the apps. There's pretty much everything anyone would need, games, all sorts. There's even a Mario Kart copycat on here. Yeah, that's pretty much it from me, guys. I've got no reason to speak anymore, it's just showing off the apps. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Nigga, what happened to Ghost? Whatever happened to Q? What up with Common? Where the fuck, where did they go? Tell me what happened to Buttons? What about Luda? Hope they ain't losing it now. Hope they get back to the music, cause I need some new shit. I'm sick of these new niggas out. I'm that new nigga. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 niggas wanna war, 10 niggas on the floor, 11 niggas on the porch, 12 killers wanna war, 13 carnivores, 14 Labradors, 15 dinosaurs, 16 avatars, 17 bombs and grenades at your rental car, 18 ways you could die when you have it all. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bitches wanna fuck, 10 niggas wanna rush, 11 hitters on the bus, 12 think they wanna bust, 13 other guns, 14 runners up, 15 rubber gloves, 16 double pump, 17 shots in your face to your kind of love, 18 ways you could die trying to fuck with them. I'm willing to die for this shit. Said I'm ready to flip it and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. And my mama ain't want me, she got it.